We are going to use a library called Microbots for this project, and it is an open source library available at github.com/microsoft/microbots. There are two important reasons for using Microbots. First, Microbots is very lightweight. It has only one dependency, which is nothing but Docker. Other than that, it is not going to install any more libraries or other dependencies which will actually pollute your system. So your system will save most pristine here. And second is, it is very easy to learn Microbots. If you see, you can create your first agent with just 3 lines of code. It is a very simple example they have given in the readme. We will see the details one by one when we are actually implementing the agent. And importantly, just because it is simple, you don't need to think it is actually going to be a less powerful. Among all the agents I know about, I think Microbots is the most secure agent because it has covered all the aspects you will actually get into security things like sandboxing the environment for LLM and controlling the commands LLM is running, giving only the necessary permission for the AI to work upon. So there are too many intricate details Microbots has actually taken care, so which is going to be very beneficial when you are actually going to launch it in production environment. We will see all these details one by one when we are actually going deep into the course. And importantly, unlike other agents, Microbot is actually focusing on full automation. Think like this: you are using GitHub Copilot or Claude or Codex. So what you will do is you will actually go into the chat mode, you will give your prompt, wait for the LLM to actually complete the task. In between, if LLM wants to run any command, sometimes it is risky command, it is going to ask you a question whether am I allowed to run this command. You are going to press allow and wait for that. So what actually happens here is it is expecting you to have fully attentive. So those workflows are for individual to use AI, but Microbot is actually focusing on full automation. Full automation in the sense where the human presence is not going to be there at all, like Azure pipeline or Jenkins job, or where the automation is not controlled by a human. So Microbots has to be more secure. That's why they have come up with all the security related aspects upfront. So we will see all these things one by one when we are actually going into the course. Don't worry about it, though it is actually so powerful. It is very simple and it is not going to take you much time to learn. In just a couple of hours, you can learn all the details of Microbots and you can able to customize and build your own custom agent for your actual problem.